Good morning, students. I am going to solve your difficult problem 7 of exercise 1.3. Question number 7 is, a shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 1 by selling one pen and incurs a loss of 40 paise per pencil while selling pencils of her old stock. In a particular month, she incurs a loss of rupees 5. In this period, she sold 45 pens. How many pencils did she sell in this period? Answering the question number 7, profit earned by selling one pen. A shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 1 by selling one pen. एक दुकानदार एक पेन बेचने पर उसे एक कलम बेचने पर उसे 1 रुपया का लाभ होता है और वह प्रति पेंसिल 40 पैसे की हानि होती है। किसी खास महीने में उसे कुल लॉस 5 रुपये होता है और इस दरमियान वह 45 कलमें बेचता है। तो हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स डिड शी सेल इन दिस पीरियड? तो वह उस पीरियड में उस दरमियान वह कितने पेंसिल वह बेचा? तो टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, profit earned by selling one pen. Profit earned by selling one pen is equal to rupees 1 and 1 pen is equal to rupees 1. Profit earned by 45 pence. Profit earned by 45 pence is equal to 45 rupees. Is equal to rupees 45, which we denote plus 45. Because we gain, so plus symbol we write, we denote plus 45 rupees. Profit earned by 45 pence. Total loss given is equal to -5. In question, we are given in this period, in a particular month, she incurs a loss of rupees 5. In this period, she sold 45 pens. So profit on 45 pens is equal to 45, and in this period, total loss is equal to 5 rupees. So we denote minus by minus sign. Now according to question, profit earned plus loss incurred is equal to total loss. Profit earned is equal to 45 because we are given profit earned by 45 pence is equal to 45. A loss incurred is equal to loss incurred loss incurred is equal to total loss is equal to given -5 is equal to therefore loss incurred is equal to -5 minus 45 is equal to -50 rupees. -50. Now loss incurred by selling one pencil loss incurred by selling one pencil is equal to -40 paise. -40 paise. So the total number of pencils. So number of pencils is equal to -5000 divided by -40 is equal to minus cancel is equal to 0 is equal to 125. So the number of pencils is equal to 125. Now the second part of this question is, in the next month she earns neither profit nor loss. If she sold 70 pens, how many pencils did he sell? कहता है अगले महीने में उसे न तो लाभ होती है और न हानि होती है। अगर वह 70 कलमें बेचता है तो कितने पेंसिल वह बेचा? इन द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन अगले महीने में दुकानदार को न लाभ होता है और न हानि होती है। अगर वह 70 कलमें बेचता है तो हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स डिड शी सेल, तो वह कितने पेंसिल बेचा? हियर वी आर गिवन प्रॉफिट और लॉस इज इक्वल टू 0। प्रॉफिट और लॉस इज इक्वल टू 0 वी आर गिवन। उस 70 कलमें बेचने पर उसे न तो लाभ होती है और न हानि होता है। अब नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स did she sell is equal to 70 divided by 0.40 0.40 is equal to बराबर 175. So the number of pencils did she sell in the next month is equal to, क्योंकि वह 70 अगले महीने में वह 70 कलम बेचता है और उसे 40 पैसे की हानि होती है, 40 पैसे की हानि होती है. सो नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स इज इक्वल टू टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेन्स divided by loss in one pencil. The loss in one pencil is equal to 40 paise, and we convert into rupees 0.45 rupees. We split decimals, so we multiplied by 100 and we divide by 40, we get 175. Hence the number of pencils, is equal to 175 answer. Now I am going to solve question number 8. In question number 8, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any questions. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? In question number 8, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Marks given for one correct answer. Marks given for one correct answer is equal to 3. Marks given for one correct answer is equal to marks given for 12 correct answer. Marks given for 12 correct answers. Is equal to marks given for 12 correct answers is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. Radhika scored Radhika's score is equal to Radhika's score is equal to 20 marks. Radhika's score. So marks for incorrect answers. Marks for incorrect answers. Marks for incorrect answers is equal to 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Marks for incorrect answers will be correct. Marks given for one incorrect answer. For one incorrect answer is equal to marks given for one incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. So number of questions. So number of incorrect answers. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. Minus 16 by minus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to 8. Now, the second part of the question is Mohani scores minus 5 marks in this state test. Thus, she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? In the second part of the question, Mohani's score is equal to minus 5, and she has got 7 correct answers. Marks given for 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers is equal to 3 marks are given for 1 correct answer. So marks given for 7 correct answers is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Now, 7 correct answers is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21. How many questions has she attempted? Number of questions is equal to minus 5 plus 21 is equal to 16. Number of incorrect answers is equal to, hence the number of questions attempted incorrectly incorrectly is equal to minus 26 by minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 13. Answer. In the second part of the question, Mohani's score is given minus 5 and marks given for 7 correct answer is equal to 3 into 7 because 1 marks are given for 1 correct answer, so marks for 7 correct answer is equal to 3 into 7 बराबर 29. So the number of incorrect answers is equal to total score minus 7 correct answer. So is equal to minus 5 minus 21 is equal to minus 26. Number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 26. Hence we have to find the number of questions attempted incorrectly. So we divide total number of incorrect answer by one wrong by one incorrect. So 26 minus 26 divided by minus 2 minus plus. So the number of questions attempted incorrectly is equal to 13.
Incorrect.
So now you will try to next problem, and in next unit test paper is given. So after completing the exercise of 1.3, you can try to solve unit test paper, and after that we will actions. Thank you.